never mind. Wasn't the end of the world in the end, but yeah. I might have a certain something. I'm not going to mention it, but as I said, I'm not going to mention it to anyone because I don't want to get people, doing some funny ideas. But yeah. Anyway, cracking on with this new idea for the railway. Obviously, as I said, there's plenty of ideas I'm going to be doing, but I don't know, guys. I mean, to be honest, there's a lot of things in my life I think there's a good potential about some things, but there's others, the simple way to look at it, I guess, is, let people live their own life, But I do appreciate you guys a lot, and I do occasionally get comments about things of how things were and how they used to work and things like that. But also, I had a comment from someone not all that long ago actually, because one of my videos went viral to the point my subscribers went so high up, well not super high up or anything, but they went in the high 30s subscribers, and then it dropped down again. And I don't know why, because maybe it's something I said in the video, or maybe the title corrected it, I don't know. Basically for the whole video, literally for the whole video, it was up quite high, and then it went down again, which is a shame, but you can't always impress someone, you can't impress everyone, you impress a very few most of the time. It's very hard to keep people entertained with different variety of similar things to the railway, or to do the project of the model railways, or going places where I've been before, or things like that. But yeah, there's a bunch of stuff I still haven't yet done to this railway, and it didn't work desperately. As I said, there's a bunch of stuff to catch up on. I haven't been sleeping well recently because obviously, the mattress I have got is so old, and it means it's very uncomfortable to sleep on now. But I would love the idea of having a double bed, I really would, because I like the space. I would like the idea of having just having the room for it. I mean, share it with my real doll. I mean, something like that would be nice, but it's just obviously saving up the money for it would be the goal for it. But is it the main priority at the moment? Because obviously I don't know when next year I'm going to get the bigger room, because obviously my husband has to work my sister on for that. So yeah, it was can be quite difficult trying to keep up with videos all the time, especially because I'm the one filming them and then editing them on the same day. Well, basically I film on one day and then edit it, upload it. Basically 4 or 5 videos every day to upload. That's including filming them. So I do quite a lot of work to these videos, and then trying to put the correct titles in and things like that. And how do I actually manage to put a title in, because my reading and writing is a bit dodgy. My reading and writing has never been great because of my bits I used to suffer with as a kid. So I mean, I had a lot of brain torment from it as growing up, but as I got older it hasn't massively changed, but it's, still has issues quite a lot. That's why I asked Sue for my help. So yeah, if you have trouble reading writing, even you have an iPhone like the iPhone 6, the iPhone 5, and the iPhone 8 Plus, or higher, you will have basically have Siri on there. And as I said, if you have trouble reading writing like I do, from you just having like things like fits or brain tumor issues, Siri would help you to spell it out for you. Sometimes you have to put your voice up fairly too high because it means it work better. But Siri doesn't always hear you correctly, so you do have to raise your voice a little bit sometimes to actually hear you. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna let it off now because I think my battery's gonna run out otherwise. Yeah. Right. So this section is done, and I will end the video with the Class 47 running back and forward in the yards because I think that would be quite cool. And it might be more for a second. There's a lot of stones in there. Obviously there's holes coming out of it. I need a new box. I've got a new box available, or have I not? All the section down here is all with scenery. Have I got a spare toy box to use? Not particularly, no. I will have to have a look and see if I can find a spare box that's suitable for things for the scenery. I think this box here will do the trick. Just get some rubbish out of it. And then we'll just kind of has to tip it into the box. It doesn't look like some peed in it, mind you. But it should be right for scenery purposes. Turn it back. Put that underneath. So I apologise if people are going to say, well actually, why can't you just buy a new toy box to suit for that sort of thing? Well, this toy box originally was suited to gaming. And that's part of the issue because obviously I had so much weight with stones and other little bits in this. There's a whole lot just the whole lot gets basically got filled by scenery, and this box is suitable for like scenery. You know, it's dusty, it's got wood chip in it mixed in with gravel and things like that. So obviously it's basically suited for anything like that. And what I'm going to do now is with the mess that I've made with the stones and the track, we're going to be going into that box. So what I'm going to do is put all the stones and stuff in this box and I'll just pour it straight into the other box. That's the idea. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys go and I'm going to catch you guys in the morning. Hopefully, I'm going to keep my daily routine and I get out at a reasonable time and get things done early enough in the day. It should be okay. So yeah, anyway, right, as I said, I'm going to let you guys go running the Class 47 in and out of the yard for the last few minutes, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video, well, later today. So yeah, let's crack it with the last shot of the day with the train. As I said, there's bits I'll be editing out of the video, so it's all good. So yeah, good night guys, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Reasonably early as well. Right, let's get her out. It's like, right. to know what to do. Sorry guys, I can't even do it correctly, so I'm going to have to hold this when holding the rally. So there's the train, and she will come back out in just a second. Whoops, things slipped to the screen. Nothing or anything bad or anything, it's just this sort of thing does happen from time to time. Go on 47, there we go. And the only downfall with that siding is the track work. It works, nevertheless, but it works, which is the good point about it. As long as it works, it's all that matters in the end. You can see the noise it makes. It's having a lot of difficulty. Anyway guys, I'm going to have enough fuff to doing basically half an hour work for you. So, as again, just going to get it sorted out, shoot it up onto the yard there. Why does it always get stuck at a certain point? It's always frustrating. Come on. Naughty train. You stop working. Backwards and forwards again. It works, it's quite nice actually guys. Anyway, I'll see you guys later today. Bye guys.